Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Engineer Preschool. Your Kalani teacher is here with a new CVC blend. Yes, this is the last blend with a vowel A. Okay, here vowel A blends with the consonant T and it makes a sound at. At. Okay, here are some words with me, so we should go through that and pronounce it correctly. We first of all we must do practice of pronouncing these two letters. Okay, the first middle one is vowel and the last one is consonant. So do practice of this first. At. At. Everyone knows that A makes a sound A and T makes a sound T. So blend with these two sounds. At. 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 Okay, and here we see that only the first consonant, first letter, which is the consonant, is changed. So we must pronounce only the first consonant and blend these two sounds. Okay, let's start. B at bat, k at cat, f at fat, h at hat. Okay, at mat, at pat, r at rat. The next one is s at sat, v at vat. Okay, in this way we can read these words easily. So do practice of this. Thank you.